Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the self-portrait timer on the SONY A6400. So the first thing that we're going to do is press on this FN button, and then we're going to navigate to the drive mode option. So this first option right here, select it, and here if you want to enable the self-portrait timer or the self-timer, you have to select the self-timer option, select the amount of time that you want, and then just press the middle button to enter that option. But if you want to disable the option, you come back to the drive mode section and then select any other option that you want. So for example, single shooting or continuous shooting or even self-timer continuous. And you have these other options. So I'm going to select single shooting. And as you can see right here, it shows me what mode I am in. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.